Hello, my name is Sauer for EMSNow here in Nuremberg at SMT Nuremberg. With me today I've got Sean Langbridge from CyberOptics. Welcome, Sean.
Morning, Kim.
Always nice to see you at these shows all around the world. So tell us what's new at CyberOptics.
Well, we've got a lot of new products, Kim. This particular exhibition we're launching our new SPI system, SE500 Ultra, which is an upgrade from the old system, a speed upgrade. It has an all-in-one scan feature where we consolidate the barcode inspection, the fiducial find and the reference scan all into the inspection cycle. So that gives us a net speed up of about 30% on average.
Mm-hmm. So it's an integration of lots of function into one. Correct. So therefore I suppose ease of use for the...
We've got ease of use, ease of setup. Yeah. Correct. The main focus is a speed improvement. Okay. I mean, we've been pushed by a lot of our Asian customers, of course, to whatever increase or decrease in cycle time, shall we say, yeah. Increase in speed capabilities.
Does that also apply to the German market? We're at SMT, and you probably would have had lots of interesting conversations with people here. Now, traditionally, you'd think, the German markets, European markets might be high mix, low volume, but is a product such as this relevant to this market also?
Any increase in speed is attractive for even a customer who, shall we say, not a traditional high volume customer, because if you increase the inspection speed, of course, then that reduces the amount of operator time you have on the machine. The operators can then be deployed elsewhere if inspection is not taking up such a great amount of production time. So yeah, it's interesting for German customers as well.
Yeah. And I suppose with a high product mix or changeover times, if you can decrease those times, it's probably very interesting.
Absolutely.
So talking about the SMT show itself, how have the last 3 days been for you?
It's been very good. The first 2 days actually were the strongest days, and Tuesday was very busy, so I was pleased. With German shows, they're always well attended. The Germans obviously love technology and anything with engineering. They're highly interested in that, so it's been very good.
Traditionally, Wednesday is the big day. But
traditionally, yeah, but it wasn't for us this year. It was Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. We were expecting a slow start. We got caught there. We were kind of straight into it. So yeah, it was good.
Well, that's always good news. So do you think that's a reflection of where the market's going? Is it typical for Germany, or is it
I think it's typical for Germany, is my feeling. I think the consensus is that automotive's slowing a little bit in Germany. We haven't seen that with our customer base. Our automotive customers are still investing, but I think the general consensus across the market is that automotive's slowing a touch. But we'll see. Yeah.
Now, what's the future? Are there any developments that you can already talk about, reveal, or
Absolutely. We have something we believe is very interesting for the European market in AOI, and we have it on our booth. It's a new AOI software. It's called Autonomous Interpretation, which is, I don't know the German translation for that, but it would be a very long word, I'm sure.
Yes.
Yeah. And that's focused on low volume, high mix.
Right.
So it enables you to create an assembly from one PCB and get meaningful inspection results. And that's kind of unique in the AOI market. Traditionally, you need a long production run to get a meaningful program that adds some value to production. We're able to do that from one PCB now.
Okay, so that's something you've already introduced. So
absolutely.
You've got that, and
it's available now.
Okay. Yeah. Did you launch it here at the show?
We didn't launch it here. I believe it was launched in some of the Asian shows earlier this year and late last year.
But it's a first for the European market.
It's a first for the European market. We have some customers already taking advantage of this in Germany as we speak. So we believe this will be a strong AOI product for us.
Excellent. So lots of interesting solutions that obviously save time and ultimately money and increase the quality.
Correct.
So
our focus at CyberOptics is very much that. It's reducing programming time, increasing the value proposition of inspection.
Well, it's great to hear all the news and to catch up with you.
Kim, always good to see you. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much for talking to us today.
See you next year.
Yes, absolutely.
Cheers, Kim.